Yun na. Happy birthday. Happy ba lang? Ano ba yun? Yay!
Ako ito.
Hmm?
Ano?
We will see.
It's a Tintin toy. I think that is a makeup. It's a Tintin toy. I think. We open it.
Ato.
The Auntie.
Sige.
Mommy, look.
Kunin mo yung ano.
Oh, ang loaded.
Kunin mo na yan.
A Tintin toy.
Wow. Kitel. Ay, ano yan?
Kita.
Yeah. Kitel.
What's this weight? Do you feel this?
Yes.
It's very heavy. What's this? Wow, Daddy!
Wow.
What's it? Hindi man ka, guys.
Mamaya lagay natin yan.
Wow! Wow. Cook. Wow!
Wala pa yung battery.
Sana!
Maya, bailo tayo. Mamaya na.
Pamita ni Ando.
Later, we will see.
Wow!
Jiren, smile. Jiren. Jiren. Dami. Mamaya, fix natin yan. Andyan po yun.
Uy! Ikot na!
Yes.
Bakit may temperature to? Saan yung ito?
Andyan lang po yun. Happy?
May red.
Wow.
Where's the red?
Fix natin yan. Fix natin.
Water na ito.
Andyan lang po yun.
Hindi ko Wala.
Oh, smile muna. Ren.
Puti.
Yan. Need natin yan i-fix.
Puti, Mami. Ay, puti.
Hmm.
Saan dito gagay? Wak man. Ano yan?
Cover mo ito, baba yung cover. Yan.
Oh,
Later. Ayun.
ito.
Nabasag pa.